In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. If you've ever tried to print an email and watched the right edge of the text disappear, you're not alone. Many messages include wide tables, long lines, or images that don't fit a portrait page. The quickest fix is to use Outlook on the web and switch the print layout to landscape before sending it to the printer. I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're in the mail view so you can access your messages. Next, head to your inbox on the left side of the screen. This is where all your incoming messages live. Click the inbox to display your emails, then choose the message you want to print. It helps to click once to open it in the reading pane so you can see exactly how it's laid out before printing. With the email selected, look for the three dots in the message toolbar. This is the More Actions menu. Click it to reveal additional options and choose Print. Using the built-in print option from this menu ensures Outlook prepares a clean, printer-friendly version of your email, which avoids a lot of the formatting issues that cause clipping. A print preview window will open. Here, you'll see how your email will look on paper. Find the layout setting and change it to landscape. Landscape gives you more horizontal space, which is ideal for emails with wide content like tables, receipts, itineraries, or newsletters. As you switch to landscape, watch the preview on the right and make sure nothing is cut off on the edges. Take a moment to confirm the destination printer, the number of copies, and paper size if those options are visible in your print dialog. The preview is your best friend here. If it looks correct in the preview, it should look correct on paper. Landscape is the key adjustment that prevents most cutoffs without you having to tweak anything else. When everything looks good, click Print. Your message will be sent to the selected printer, or, if you choose a PDF destination, saved as a PDF with the full width intact. That's it. By opening the email in Outlook on the web using the print option from the three-dot menu and selecting a landscape layout, you'll get a complete readable printout without losing the right-hand side. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.